Gen Americain qui fait erreur tout, but so aujourd'hui nous allons parler de pluriel, alright? Nous allons parler de pluriel. Pluriel en anglais, li vraiment facile, nous t'ai dit, but gen de parfois, gen série des mots que me pourrais montrer que aujourd'hui qui vraiment important pour connaître, parce que si vous pas connaître mot ça yo, mon a pensé que on va parler bon anglais, okay? You know, teacher me got you, so me retourner pour me porter la bonne nouvelle pour nous. Pour la plupart des mots qui en anglais est vraiment easy parce que you don't have to do much. You don't have to do too much for a lot of words in English. All you have to do is you have to add S. So then in the case of cat, which is a cat, 3 cats. About cat, okay? Cat, please. It's easy. Cat. 1 cat, 2 cats. 1 cake, 2 cakes. 1 vase, 2 vases. Or 2 vases. No, that's not what I meant to say. I meant to say vase. Vase, vases. A vase. Some people do say it like that, but I say vase. Vase, vases. Car, cars. Oh, and then book. I accidentally added the S. So pour book, vous mettez books. Alright, you guys? Mettez books. That's it. It's really easy. And nous prenons l'autre cas encore. And then, pour moi qui finit ensemble avec S, X, O, H, avec CH, SH and CH, qui sont faits où tu as besoin d'ajouter ES, ou besoin d'ajouter ES. So you're gonna add ES. So you say buses. So the bus, I'm going to take the bus. Well, I'm going to take the bus. The bus. I'm going to take the bus. All right. So you see it's a short vowel. It's a short vowel. But there are several buses waiting outside. There are several buses waiting outside. So then you have box. Notice, gen yon différence entre bus and box. So, ou pa fin, y pa yon long voyelle, but y aussi pa prononcer ta c'est bus. The bus, we're gonna take the bus. Ça pi enlevé. And then for this one, it's a box. 3 boxes. A box, 3 boxes. Alright, you see what I'm saying? So let me put the ES. Tomato, tomatoes. Brush, brushes. Easy. You add the ES. Après, mot qui finit par O, mot qui finit par X, mot qui finit par S, mot qui finit par SH, mot qui finit par CH. Couch, couches. Couches, period. Yeah, so do you understand? When they end in S, X, SH, CH. Yeah, that's it. So when they end like that, you add ES. You got it? All right, let's move on to the next one. Okay, so then let nous get mot qui finit par Y. Words that end in Y. What do? We remove the Y and we add IES. We remove the Y and we add IES. So then we have 1 baby, 2 babies. We love the babies. The babies smell good and yup. Babies. Party. Party. You can say party. That's American, British English. Yeah, British English. Party, party, parties. City, cities. All right. City, cities. Story, stories. All right. You see what I'm saying? I have a lot of stories to tell you. The cities are beautiful. And then victory. He scored several victories. He scored several victories. All right. So then you remove the Y and you add the IES. Period. That's exactly what I'm trying to teach you. Yeah. Hoje on apprend anglais bien vite. Okay. And then pour moi qui finit ensemble avec Y, sauf un toy qui veut dire je ti moun jouer. Toy, ou mettez S là-dedans. Key, ou mettez keys. That's it. And then so gen ça relate irregular plural, okay? Irregular plural, then that means que ce sont des pluriels qui irréguliers, alright? You understand? Là nous gain child, living to ne, children. The singular, so pour le singulier, singular, and then for the plural, we have children, alright? Child, children. Woman, plural, women, alright? So I know, yeah. I'm making fair area too, but you know, it's fine. So woman and na plural là c'est women. Please, j'entends me prononcer là, c'est comme ça vous prononcez. That's it. Men, men. And then for mouse, you guys, we have mice. For the map, m'a parlé de mice, m'vin sonje quelques sous n'te kon gen l'mte Haïti. M'a connaît. Nou vraiment, m'a connaît ki jan situation yé koto stilte ya, but like m'sonje ke like mal dormi yon le, and then m'leve tout le monde dit comme ça que yon rat mange pile. Rat or souris. But rat se pigoa, souris c'est pipitia. So pipitia c'est mouse, but the plural is mice. Alright? Person, people. Person, people. Alright? So une personne, one person, two people. You understand? Cactus. Cactus c'est bagay raket ki Haiti. Ou kompon raket yo mette devant kay moun lo an deyo. So the plural is cacti. And then John, you guys qui c'est fungus, son fungus, you know, like, let me parler de, si je commence à parler de biology, you know, I have a degree in environmental studies. I'm going degree in environmental, na étude environnementale. So, je vais parler de fungus, but je vais parler de ça trop, je tiens. But just connais que le pluriel de fungus is fungi. So, these words qui veut dire ces mots, okay, these words, the plural of these words is irregular. Yeah, I hope that helps you. But let me give you some more examples. Other than the irregular plurals, I'm gonna give you some more examples. Gen mot même, yo li yo pa chanje. Tan pou lo gen mot tan pou se fish, ou di one fish, two fish, ou pa di two fishes. Gon loi, but don't worry about it. Just di one fish, two fish, okay? And then gen deer, ma met ton photo nan video pou ka we. Deer, one deer, two deer, ou pa di two deers, ou pa mette S la. And then gon lot mot anko, ki se sheep. Ou ete ko son long E, I'm telling you guys, son long E, so sheep. But, bam di nou, okay, so, gen lot ti mot toujou, but yo pa vreman kom si trop, yeah, yo important, but ekrim nan komentary yo di m kom si sou ta men wè mette kom si gen mot le ou fini pa F, like leaf, ki vin tonen leaves. So, vè pou m pouvwe sa, let me know in the comments, fè m konen nan komentary yo, and then I'll make a second video to talk about that. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. What did I say? Please share, because c'est comme ça pour nous continuer grandir. Share ensemble avec amis. And then please, regardez vidéo m'te fait pour montrer nous qui j'ai clair pour nous utiliser how many and how much. Parce que li vraiment, quand y'a ka fait pluriel, quand y'a ka utiliser how many and how much even pi bien. So regardez vidéo ça, and then yeah, partagez. Remember, teacher Mimi got you. I do.